Welcome back, cybersecurity enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of our pen testing. Today's we are diving deep into the world of recon tools. Reconnaissance is a critical phase in a pen testing, and having the right tools and techniques at your disposal can make all the difference. In this video, we will explore various recon tools and websites categorized into four sections: domain search, DNS, OSINT, and breach data. Let's get started. Our first category is the domain search tools and websites. These are the essentials for gathering information about target domain. Let's jump right in. WhoIs is a command line tool and website that allow you to retrieve detailed information about a domain, such as its owner, registration date, and DNS record. Let's see in action. Okay. So this is the DNS WhoIs lookup. Okay, and press here google.com. So as you can see, WhoIs provides us with a valuable information about the target domain. These are the registrar status, dates, name servers, IP address, IP locations, IP history, WhoIs records. Sublister is a Next was the sublister. Sublister is a Python tool designed to enumerate subdomains for a domain. It can help you discover additional entry points for your pen test. Sublister uncovers subdomains associated with our target domain, which can be crucial for our pen test. So these are the help command of subdomain. Give it the command -d for domain and B for brute force. These are the explanation of all commands. Shodan is a search engine for internet connected devices. It can help you find information about open port service and vulnerabilities. Let's take a look. With a Shodan, we can identify potential targets and vulnerabilities for our penetration test. So here was the google.com, China's, Germany, United States, top countries, and top ports are is a port 80, 443, 500, 501, and many more ports are open in google.com, available on the Shodan. Next up, we have a DNS tools. These are the instrumental in gathering DNS related information about a target. First was the NS lookup. NS lookup provides us with DNS related data, helping us to understand the target's network infrastructure. So here was the NS lookup, and here was the server was our server and IP address, and here was the google.com, and IP address was the 142, and address was this address was IPv6 address. Okay, move up to next. Dig is another command line tool for DNS queries. It offers advanced option for precious DNS information retrieval. So here was the dig command. You can just type a dig, and place it google.com and hit enter. Here was the dig command. So here was all the information about google.com. DNS enum. Okay. So DNS enum is a tool designed to gather DNS information from a target domain, including subdomains and DNS record. DNS simplifies the process of collecting DNS data for our pen test. DNS enum help command is here, and here was the specification of all the commands and description of all the commands. You can just edit your run it and enumeration the domain. Okay, continuing our journey, let's explore the category of OSINT tools and websites. These are the essentials for open source intelligence. The harvester is a command line tool that helps you gather the email address, subdomains, and other information from a public source. The harvester makes OSINT data collecting a breeze. Okay, so here was the harvester tool coded by Christian, and here was the command -d command for a domain, and you can just type the google.com and any other websites and source -b, and you can specify the search engines. You can find the email address and passwords. All things are available on OSINT. Okay, open source intelligence. Move up to next, recon-ng. Recon-ng is a powerful reconnaissance framework that streamline the process of gathering ocean data. Recon-ng offers a wide range of modules, various ocean tasks. So here was the Recon-ng, and you can just type the google.com and any other website name and get the ocean tools, ocean data. Okay. Maltego is a visual link analysis tool that aids gathering the analyzing ocean data. With a Maltego, we can create a visual representations of our ocean findings, enhancing our analysis. Lastly, we have a category of breach data tools and websites. These are the crucial for checking if your target has been compromised, if any data breaches. HaveIBeenPwned is a website that allows you to check if email address or username has been exposed in a data breaches. HaveIBeenPwned helps you to access the security posture of your targets users. So here was the website HaveIBeenPwned. And so next up is the Pwn or not. Is a valuable tool for accessing the strength of password used by your target. Pwn or not is a command line tool that checks a password against the database of leaked credentials. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive overview of penetration testing recon tools categorized into domain search or DNS, OSINT, and data breaches. These tools and websites invaluable for gathering critical information during the reconnaissance phase of penetration test. Remember, responsible and ethical use of these tools is essential. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes in our pen testing